So I'm Richard Hawkes, I'm Chief Executive of Scope, which is a national disability charity. Scope exists to make this country a better place for disabled people and families with disabled children, and we run a whole range of services throughout the country. So for example, when we look at the numbers of people we employ, when we're looking at how we recruit people, especially temporary staff, it's absolutely crucial that we're doing that as effectively as we can. Since we've been working with dePoel, it's been so much more effective in that we've saved a lot of money, our processes and systems are a lot better, the visibility of management information is a lot better, compliance issues overall are much stronger. So now managers through the eTips system get much faster information about individuals. We know who the people are that we're employing, we're making sure that we're compliant in every area, we know information about those individuals. And in our area of work, when you're providing social care, for example, to people, you've got to be absolutely sure that you're compliant. We're also saving a lot of money. I think we've saved almost £200,000 since we've been working with dePoel, and that enables us to use that money elsewhere in the best interests of disabled people. It enables us to support more families with disabled children. There was a time in the past where we had something like more than 8,000 invoices a year with regards to temporary labour. Since we've been working with dePoel, that's reduced now to one consolidated invoice a week. So in an average year, it used to be more than 8,000 and it's now 52. Now, that obviously saves an enormous amount of administrative time, staff time, and that's another area of saving that we're able to then invest in the business overall for the better interests of disabled people. So the system itself is much more streamlined, managers can get better information from it, but it's reduced the administration from more than 1,000 to 52 invoices a year. One of the real benefits in working with an organisation like dePoel has been that we've been able to take advantage of the huge areas of expertise and experience that the managers at dePoel have. And so rather than us simply buying a more effective system, we've also benefited enormously from consultancy services and advice from dePoel colleagues who've really helped us in understanding things like what good looks like in recruitment practices or the way that people are managing systems and processes. So my understanding from a large number of our colleagues, and I know this myself, is that it feels much more like a partnership arrangement where we've benefited enormously in addition to the better systems, but also from the great advice and the consultancy from the staff at dePoel. We're a disability charity, and it's really important that our managers are able to focus on the things that are really important for the organisation, which is mostly going to be about providing great services for disabled people. Now that means that when it comes to things like management information, we've got to make sure that things are as easy and as simple for our managers. Systems like eTips are great in that respect. They're very simple. At the push of a button, a manager is able to get great information about individuals, about time management, about the number of hours that people have been working, and so on. And that really helps our managers understand their costs more effectively, but perhaps more importantly, it helps them plan more effectively as well. So we know who we've been using and we know who we want to be using in the future. So it's very simple. It really helps our managers and it really helps us as an organisation. The agency panel has made a big difference as well for our managers. So in the past, they had to worry about a whole range of issues to do with cost or legal aspects, which now they just don't need to worry about because our managers have confidence that through the agency panel, dePoel is managing those issues. So this means that our managers know that the different agencies are competing with each other on the service that they're giving. So our managers can then make choices based on what's best for Scope without having to worry about issues like legal compliance, legal issues, cost issues and so on, because dePoel is managing that through the agency panel. Perhaps one of the most successful aspects of the partnership with dePoel is that it really feels like a partnership. It doesn't feel like a transactional relationship. We feel that we're benefiting from consultancy advice, better systems and processes that are making us more effective as an organisation, allowing us to use our resources really effectively. But beyond that, what's been great is the relationships that we've developed with individuals at dePoel, as well as with the company overall. So people have been taking part in fundraising activities for us, getting sponsorship to do a range of different events. Now that helps raise the awareness of scope and of the issues that are important for us. And it also enables us to build really strong relationships with individuals and with the company overall. So really we're benefiting enormously, way beyond, I think, what you'd normally expect in a relationship like this. It really feels like a partnership, and we're working together to make things much better for disabled people in this country.